So welcome to practical 6 of AutoCAD Made Easy Volume 2, the practical sessions. And in today's session, we'll be drawing missing views, orthographic missing view, which is when you are given an isometric block, or you have just detail of two views, the plan and the front elevation, or the front elevation and the side elevation, and you want to generate the third view. How do you go about it? I'm still your regular instructor, Engineer Adipsi AT, and big thanks to our sponsor, Computer Made Easy, for sponsoring this video. Now, let's start. So, I'm back on my AutoCAD face, and my sheet 6 is already prepared, and let's get right to work. First, I will need to draw my lines, which is my axis, isometric axis. Since I'm drawing isometric drawing, I can safely put my auto mode on. Fine. Then, okay, to keep my drawing nice and smooth. Then I will need to offset to get the base of front view, side view. You know what I mean now? Okay, fine. Now, the view we are given, it's in third angle projection. So I know this side is what will be vacant. So I can safely trim off here and put my theta lines here. Okay, fine. Yeah, perfect. I safely trim off and put my line 45 degrees here. Now, I don't want you in auto mode. Okay. So I know the line should be in 45 degrees. Okay, perfect. Now, I'll start by drawing my top view. Let's start from the top view. Okay. From the top view, let me use outline and line 2 in case I need to erase anything. Okay. Coming up. Okay, let's go this way then. Here is 32. Okay. Coming up here is 11 plus 11 plus 18. That should be 40. Going up is 52. 11. 52 minus 11, that's 41. 18. 41. 11. Safely close. Okay. Then there's a protrusion here. There's a protrusion there. Line. And no going up. Okay. You can see that is 11. Start somewhere here. Come on. 9. Okay, you can zoom to it. Okay. Or better still, I can draw a line. Let me draw the center line then. Line. Center line here. And I know it's a matter of offsetting the center line through distance 9 both sides. 1, 2. Perfect. My center line should be longer than this. out is 32. You can always draw another line on it. 32, which will stop here exactly. Okay, coming down 18. And you don't need these lines in okay, I do not need these lines in construction line. I need them on my outline. Okay, fine. Now I'll delete this. Good. My top view is done, apart from the hidden lines. Now I move to my front view. So let me change to outline. Line. I know exactly this. Down. Okay. I can use construction lines to bring it down. Construction lines to bring this point down. Construction lines to bring this down. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, so I can switch back to my outline now. Line, and on this coming down is if that's radius 16, then it will be 32. And it moves straight ahead. Don't know where it stops yet. So let's just stop it here. Now we're told there is a construction line around this place for the center of the circle, so I can safely offset this by 16. And this is the center line, which goes all the way up. Okay, now I need to draw my circles. Okay, let's draw a proper line then. Then circle. There's a circle there of radius 8. The other one of radius 16, 1, 6. I employ trim to trim the trimmables. Okay, it's looking at it. It's looking like it. Okay. Or maybe I should just create another layer for center lines. Sure, we'll do just that. Okay, so but my drawing is not done yet. Okay, then there is this protrusion here. The height here is the same as above. You can see it's a cylindrical member, so which makes it 18. And I extend this line. Okay, let's take it this way. 9. It goes all the way here. 18, 1, 8, and here, all the way here. The line here is just for a guide. So what is left is There are some hidden lines on this which I have not put in place. To do that, I will need to add a new layer. Come on. New hidden line. Let me add another layer for center line. So for the hidden lines, I like to have many colors on my drawing so that I can quickly identify which is which. Let's use this dashing line. Take this. So for my center line, let me use color red. And the line type I want to use, I want to use the standard center line. Long short dashes. Okay. Long short dashes. Okay. We're good to go. So I'll be using construction line to project this circle up. And I'll trim off these portions and add okay, I need not this portion, and add my hidden line there. Hidden line. Hidden line up. Fine. Then let's zoom to it to see what we've done. Okay. Fine. Now the next, to get my side view, what we do is we project all horizontal line from here to this, to the place of the side view, and all horizontal line from this side view, from this plan here and all the way down. So let's start from here. I'll be taking it member by member so that I won't get lost. So I want to start from this front member, change back to construction line. So this front member, I'll take it out. Now I've gotten an idea of how long it is. Before I forget, let me take this to my center lines. Okay, so this is also a center line. Okay, so this has shown me the height. Now it's remaining the width, which I will project out from here. Line, come up. Once I get to this line, I stop. Come on, I want a perfectly straight line. Okay, go again. Okay. Then I drop down these lines to me with this. Okay. Let's not forget, this is computer made. This lesson is brought to you by Computer Made Easy, and I'm your instructor, Engineer DBC Akim T. If you like to have your training with Computer Made Easy, easily you can do that by contacting the number that displays at the end of this video. If you like to if you have some project drawings to make or assignment or what have you, you can easily contact Computer Made Easy. There are a lot of IT students as well as professionals and staffs that can easily get your job done for you. Okay, now I'm done with the side view of this element. Now let me take the side view of this element. Same way, I project the element out, which is what we've done with this tool. Then I'll project the element out here and say it overlaps. And if you like to contact me personally, you can always email me. I prefer that. So from email, you can get to private chat and one-on-one calls. Or we can always start from email. My email is engineeradbcat@gmail.com. engineeradbcat@gmail.com. Okay. This lesson is on missing view, orthographic missing view. How we employ AutoCAD to do that. So, as you can see, this line and this will define the width of my drawing of this part. So quickly pick out the line tool and trace it out. Let me trace it out using outline. So I don't have to. Wow, isn't that wonderful? Isn't that making sense? Now, there is a little problem. This shows that this member is not rectangular, but it is cylindrical. So what we should have done is to project this center line with this center line to get the center of the circle. So thank God I can see that very quickly. No. Undo. Didn't tell you to do that. And then okay. So the rectangle I drew, the square I drew earlier on, quickly erase that and replace it. Okay, and replace it with a circle. Outline circle. I know my center. I know it ends. Okay. Now, if you look at this member and this member, we want to represent it on here, which we can already see that this line is on the same level with this, coming down, straight down, and this is providing the height. There is a hole here, so there's a need to show it here as a hidden line. So I'll come here, hidden line. So what else then? This circle, we need to show it right here as hidden line. So how do we get about that? Pick a construction line and project these circles. Okay. switch back to my hidden line layer. Line. And it passed through this first member. Fine. Passes through this second member. Come on. Take a zoom at it. Here. Second member. Fine. And same thing here. Since it's a symmetrical object, I can easily mirror it instead of drawing the same thing like a million times. Okay, so one of the advantages of using a multi-layer system is you can always switch off any layer that is obstructing your view and see what you've got. What you've got is this. I can see there is a little irregularity there. This line should go all the way through. So I'll be drawing a new line that goes all the way through. Okay, and voila, my missing view is done. What is left? Turn it on. Okay, now what is left is to knit up my drawing so that it looks much presentable, and to add title. Okay. Oh no, don't do that. Okay. I want to add title. DT. Missing views. Okay, let's use example of missing views. And the next thing we need to do is add dimensions. How do we do that? DIM. Let's take a zoom at our drawing. You can use zoom window. Wow, isn't that wonderful? Okay, so I would like to edit my style so that label is currently selected. Close. Then dimensions, since it's all linear dimensions. 1, 2. Okay. I'm getting tremendous benefit out of doing this. I do sincerely hope you are too. Okay. Once we dimension 2, we are good to go with the remaining 2. So 1, 2. Okay, it is already told the dimension of this. Okay, let's use damn. Okay, and voila, we're done. And so when I print it, it will make much better sense than this. Thank you. So thank you for watching this episode on missing view. See you in the next class.